is a wonderful building, and we're just so pleased to be here today.
Fortunate enough that Butch got us in touch with Kimpton and Hillwood. Atlanta's going to be really proud of this asset.
Thank the mayor for being part of this festivities today.
Hotel, Art in Motion. That's pretty amazing. And by declaring yourself Art in Motion, you were putting claim to great creativity and innovation. The rug was great. It actually fit, so I know that your service is first class.
This hotel is really important to us because Atlanta is such a big city. So this is a very important gateway for us to this part of the Southeast.
Well, this is our first hotel in the South. It's something that our customers have been asking for a long time. We're excited about it, and we think here in Midtown, a boutique hotel like this one really is filling a niche that was unfulfilled.
Midtown is the center of arts and culture in Atlanta, and we have the Fox and the High Museum and the Woodruff Arts Center, and Art in Motion is the theme for Palomar.
And Art in Motion is a piece of the Palomar brand, and what we do is we have art throughout the hotel, and what we've done is with our local Atlanta artists, and they're displaying their work here, as well as when you're going around throughout the hotel in your guest rooms, there's always art, something to talk about.
To be able to come in and tie into the arts community here as opposed to just strict capitalism, I think is a huge plus.
The restaurant is called Paci, and Paci is Italian steakhouse concept. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner there, and it's just a really good feel to that.
My favorite part of the hotel is we're here at Alto Rex right now. It's the outdoor terrace, and it's got a great feel. We've got fire pits and the outdoor bar here and a little water feature and some cabanas, and we really hope it becomes not just a great amenity for the hotel guests, but a neighborhood gathering spot as well.
We're very excited about having the Palomar in our portfolio of hotels. You know, Atlanta has really never had a good boutique hotel, and that's what's really been missing for us. And of course, Kimpton really invented the boutique offering, so we're very excited to have the Palomar here.
Well, the Hotel Palomar and the Kimpton Company coming into Atlanta is a huge boost to us economically, but it's also good spiritually.
I think with what we have here, this excitement, it's a different brand to Atlanta.
Sometimes people don't really know what to expect with a boutique hotel. It's contemporary and very stylish, yet warm and welcoming at the same time.
We want to make it approachable for people. We don't want to make it intimidating. So there's a certain amount of whimsy and kind of fun that goes along with it, so people feel comfortable, although they're in a very designed, interesting space.
A personal touch and something more outside of the stale corporate sort of environment hotel you go to.
Some of the other hotels, you just put up their neon sign and hope the Rolodex works. Kimpton's all about service.
You know immediately from the sense of welcome when the doorman opens the front door, from the valet parker to how you're greeted when you come into the front desk. You know immediately how every member of the staff is going to treat you, and I think this hotel has it down pat.
The guests love our hotel. They love the experience coming in, and it's a lifestyle hotel, so we're genuine. When they come in, they feel like they're at their second home.
People coming in here are really, I think, pleasantly surprised by the amount of comfortable interiors and the warmth and friendliness of the feel. It feels more like a living room than it does a hotel.
And people want something different, and they want something that's unique and fun and engaging and really speaks to them on a personal basis.
For 20 years, there was not a hotel developed in Midtown. And then to have something of this quality in this location, I mean, it's a home run.
This is an exciting development for Midtown Atlanta. You know, it's probably the most luxurious property that we have.
I think the benefit of having a hotel like the Palomar is it sort of becomes a destination within the destination.
And I think everybody in Atlanta is going to be blown away. It's very hip, very cool, but it'll stand the test of time.
First class hotel, boutique hotel, special services for people who come in, 200 new jobs, and appreciation for the arts. It all sounds great to me.
We look forward to seeing you at the Palomar. Come visit us.